Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import Sketchfab models into Blockbench. This is useful if you want to edit or convert models downloaded from Sketchfab. First, download a model from Sketchfab. Make sure the model's license allows editing and reuse. Most Sketchfab models do not come as simple OBJ files with voxel-friendly geometry. Since Blockbench supports voxel style and low poly models, you may need to use an online model converter to convert polygon-based models into a voxel-compatible format. Next, extract the downloaded files. If you've downloaded a model that's already compatible, such as a BB model file, open Blockbench and start a generic model project. Go to the File menu in the menu bar and select Open Model or Import Model. Choose the file you prepared. Depending on the model's complexity, this may take a moment to load. Once imported, check the textures, scale, and orientation to make sure everything looks correct. And that's how to import Sketchfab models into Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.